Once you've got your own Bluehost website online, you can start taking advantage of the many ways to make money online. You might be surprised to see the range of opportunities available, from affiliate marketing to selling physical products and even creating premium articles. In this guide, I'll be sharing some of the most effective ways to monetize your website, with plenty of practical tips and resources to get started from day one. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start monetizing your website. Join the AWIN network to access thousands of affiliate programs, including major brands like TripAdvisor, Etsy, and Nike. Then simply include an affiliate link, provided by AWIN, when mentioning products from your chosen partners on your website. Another popular way to monetize your site is to add banner adverts. You can easily set up network adverts using Google AdSense or Media.net by copying and pasting code into your site to create adverts that are relevant to a visitor's recent internet search. Taboola is another increasingly popular service for bloggers monetizing their content. It works by displaying relevant articles, rather than banners, from advertisers on their network. You can also sell digital products, such as ebooks, printables, graphics, templates and podcasts, and physical products. Use your website as a base to sell your own physical products, like t-shirts and mugs with Zazzle, or handmade products to sell on eBay or Etsy. You can even create an online course as an add-on for your website, or set up a business directory page, where companies pay you a set fee to have their business listed. These are just some of the ways you can make money from your website. It's important to remember to pick one or two from this list that resonates with you and your website, and really focus on them first. With some dedication and hard work, you'll soon be able to generate a steady income stream from your website.